Rather than economic growth, which is used within quite a linear mindset, usually, I like the idea of being regenerative. And regenerative has generate in the word, which means to create, right? To innovate, to create. That's what humans are wonderful at, and what we should seek to strive for. What we should seek to strive for is to flourish, to innovate, to replenish what we have. And so the regenerative aspect, I think that's what an economic system should be built around as a metaphor. And when we think of regenerative, it also has inbuilt this idea of resilience, in the sense that we know that as a very complex system, there'll be shocks to the system, there'll be unforeseen disturbances, disruptions that happen, actually from the creative process itself. And when you have resilience being nutrient flows when it comes to materials circulating at multiple levels of scale, nested levels of scale, it means that the economy as a whole is regenerative by virtue of its resilience.